Hello, and welcome to Codecademy's Learn Responsive Design course. We are in the Sizing Elements section. This is Relative Measurements. And it says, modern technology allows users to browse the internet via multiple devices, such as desktop monitors, mobile phones, tablets, and more. Devices of different screen sizes, however, pose a problem for web developers. How can we ensure that a website is readable and visually appealing across all devices, regardless of screen size? The answer: responsive design. Responsive design refers to the ability of a website to resize and reorganize its content based on 1. The size of other content on the website, 2. The size of the screen the website is being viewed on. In this lesson, we'll size HTML content relative to other content on a website. You've probably noticed the units of pixels, or px, used in websites. Pixels are used to size content to exact dimensions. For example, if you want a div to be exactly 500 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall, then the unit of pixels can be used. Pixels, however, are fixed, hard-coded values. When a screen size changes, like switching from landscape to portrait view on a phone, elements sized with pixels can appear too small, overflow the screen, or become completely illegible. With CSS, you can avoid hard-coded measurements and use relative measurements instead. Relative measurements offer an advantage over hard-coded measurements as they allow for the proportions of a website to remain intact regardless of screen size or layout. Instructions. The website in the browser to the right uses many relative measurements. Resize the page by increasing and decreasing the browser's width repeatedly. What do you notice about how the content on the page responds to the changes in width? When you're done resizing the browser component, proceed to the next exercise. So if we zoom out here, we got this site here. Everything's nicely centered. Let's stretch this out. So as we open it, it responds to the opening of the screen size. With a responsive site, it becomes easier to adjust the content of our page according to the size of screen it's being viewed on. So this course will basically be on how to give your website a more responsive feel. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.